ఇంకోసారి ఇప్పుడు ఓకే పట్టుకోండి టచ్ చేయండి.
How is it? How is it?
The glass is amazing. Small.
This is instruction manual.
Let me see. Step 1.
These are all plastic sheets, which are polypropylene sheets, which supported by steel frames. We have to connect with ABS connectors, such we give a cube structure.
Now we will tell you which part we have received. This is a 13 pieces. It has 13 pieces. This part is called B, 16 pieces. And this is C, 3 pieces and 1 hammer. Hammers D, and here is, I don't know what it's called. It's E, 3 pieces, and this 1 piece. And one not like that. These are the pieces here.
Now let's start assembling.
Give me that piece.
Yeah.
One base.
Let's.
Now we are connecting the plastic sheets with ABS connectors, and we make a cube one by one. Assembling is very easy and quick process. The cube can be used separately or be stacked and combined together to meet our needs. I bought this product from Amazon. If you want to like to buy this product, I will give you the link in the description. The cost of this product is around 12.99 rupees. Now here I am inserting the door lock to the ABS connector. Assembling is very less time taking. We assemble this less than 10 minutes only. Yay! We assembled this storage rack. And after assembling, it looks very pretty. It can be add style and storage to any room. Ideal for bedroom, living room, it provides space to store toys, blankets, clothing. Create your own storage solution in an easy way.
Thank you you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for more videos.